just select this table. Okay, now go to insert. You see this graph icon, just select it, and here the graph is ready. Okay, now you see that the one value is in the number, other value is in percentage. So maybe we need two graphs here. So what we will do is just click on right click. Okay, then we do change chart type, go to combo, and here I will select for the percentage contribution as a line graph, and it would be on secondary axis. It's ready. Now the next thing is we want to update the data labels. Just click here, go to plus icon, select data labels, and you are done. For this also, let's add the data labels in the similar way, and you are done. So friends, you see the graph is you can make very easily in Excel. Thanks for watching.